Hello, scholars. My covered wagon is back. I think they stopped to look at our map. Maybe they lost their map of the Oregon Trail or their guidebook, so they have to stop and look at a map. But you can't stay in the middle of our spelling. So get on out of here. Wagons ho! Off they go onto their long trek on the Oregon Trail. All right, let's take a look at our map. I don't think this is the map to the Oregon Trail. We are going to mapping sounds to spelling. Ooh, sound. So this is all about the way words sound. So I'm going to draw my ear, put an earring on it. There, I'm going to listen carefully for the words, the sounds in the words. Mapping sounds to spelling. Spy the long I pattern words. So here they are in this box and write them in the blanks. Let's read over our pattern words, make sure we know them. You ready? Let's begin. Cry, crying, try, trying. Sky, why, dry, drying. My, fly, flying, tie. Pie, lie, fry, frying. Excellent. Well, now we have to complete these 6 things. Now we have 4, 8, 12, 16. We've got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. We're going to be using words more than once. You can tell just by the amount of blanks on the page that some of these words are going to go into one or more of the category. So don't cross it out boldly when you finish, because you're going to be using them again. All right? We need to spy 5 words that have 2 syllables. You can write the letter 2, number 2 up there if you want. So we're going to look for 2 syllables. All right? I did a quick look to see if I had 1 syllable, but I don't. So I only have to find the 2 syllables. So let's see. Cry. Only 1. Crying. 2. And if we take that off, we can see that it's cry. Remember back here at the beginning, it said right here, and I said, oh, I bet we're going to use that information later. Well, here's where we're using that information. It said the ending ing, 2 speech sounds, but 1 syllable. So if you add ing, you're adding a syllable to the base word. So anytime you see ing words, you know that ing is a syllable, something to ingrain in your brain. You're going to need that a lot when you're spelling and writing and reading. Spy 5 words. Okay, 2 syllables. We got 5 blanks, so there's 5 of them. We already found crying, so let's write it down. See it, say it, hear it, write it. Feed your brain 4 ways. You ready? C-R-Y is a rule breaker, so don't make a capital Y in the middle of the word. Make it go down there. I-N-G, and the same thing with G. So rule breaker goes below the line, just the circle parts on the line. So let's see if we can find one more. Try. Now, ooh, here's an ing word. I bet that has 2 syllables. Trying. Yes, it does. So I'm going to write the word trying, and I can put my finger up there, or if I have an extra pencil, put it pointing to it so I don't have to find it again. Trying. Feed your brain 4 ways. You ready? T-R-Y, the rule breaker. Practice making that. I-N-G, rule breaker. Use the lines. That's why they gave them to us, to use them. If they didn't want you to use them, they wouldn't have put them there. So use your lines. You need to find 3 more. I'll give you a big hint. Look for words with the suffix ing on it. All right? Let's see what else we have to find out. Spy 1 word that asks a question. Ooh, I'm not going to do that one. You know that one, so I'm not going to answer that one. Let's look at the next set of directions. We got to find 11 words. 3, 6, 9, 10, 11. Yep, 11 blanks that rhyme. So underline rhyme with the word by. We're really good rhymers, so I think we're going to be okay with this one. But let's try by with our first word. By, cry. Cry by. Yes. So I'm going to write cry right here. You ready? 4 ways. See it, say it. Here, write it. C-R-Y. Let's try another one. By crying. by crying. Nope, because remember, rhyming words sound the same at the end of the word. So crying and by does not rhyme. How about the next one? Try, by, try. Yes, try. So sit, here, write it. 4 ways. T, R, Y. Excellent. I bet none of the ing words rhyme with this word, by, so I can just let them go. And I'm going to say the rest of them and see if they fit. You might be thinking to yourself by this time, this is a really easy lesson, Mrs. Brown. Y, S, I, S, Y, and IE. It does sound like a review, doesn't it? But we've added suffixes, and we want to make sure that we totally understand the sound that Y is making. Not just know how to spell it, but realize that's a long I. Let's continue on. All right. Spy 3 words that end, there's our key word, end with IE. So I can look and find these. No, no, no. Oh, yes, tie. It ends with IE. So I'm going to write it right here. Tie. T-I-E. I can tie my shoes. Or they ran a race and it was a tie. Now you got to find 2 more. All right, moving on. 5. Spy 5 words. We got 5 blanks that have only 2 speech sounds. Only 2 speech sounds. So this is a big lesson. Let's look. This seems to be a little bit difficult. Cry. K-R-I. That's got 3. So we got to blend, C and R, blend them together, but you can hear, you can break them apart, you can hear each sound. K-R-I. So that's not going to work. If cry doesn't work, we know crying's not going to work because we already got 3, and earlier we learned that has 2. Try. It's got to blend, so I don't think that's going to work. Blend them together, but you can break them apart. T-R-I. Try. Nope. And if try didn't work, trying's not going to work. Sky. S-k-I. A blend. It's not going to work. How about why? W-I. 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 Because it's not w-h-I. Ooh, digraph. W-H, remember? Digraph. 2 letters, 1 sound. W. That was one of our H brother digraphs. Y is going to fit. So I'm going to go back down here to number 5. 2 speech sounds. Y. W-H, that's 1. And the Y, I, is 2. All right. How about dry? Is D-R a digraph or a blend? It's a blend. So D-R-I. No. And if dry doesn't work, drying's not going to work. My. I. I. Yes, my would work. It's only got 2 letters, 2 sounds. I. My. Excellent. Fly has a blend. F-L-I. You have to break them apart to hear those sounds. It's got 3. F-L-I. So fly is not going to work. Flying's not going to work. What about tie? T-I. T-I. I only hear 2. It's not T-I-E. It's just T-I. So tie. T-I-E. All right, I'm going to stop there before I do the whole thing. I was having too much fun. And let you find the other 2 words that only have 2 speech sounds. You can do it. Oh, my goodness. Now we got another one. Spy 6 words that have 3 speech sounds. 6 words with 3 speech sounds. All right, let's go back up. See what we got. Cry. K-R-I. Ooh, that's got 3. It's a blend. K-R-I. Cry. That's a tiny little word for 3 speech sounds. But I'm going to write down C-R-Y. A rule breaker. All right. Crying is going to have too many because we already had 3 in here. And we know ing, that's got 5. Let's go to try. I. Try. 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 It's a blend, 2 letters blended together, but we can break them apart. I. So try. So it kind of looks like to me that the words with the blends, the main words with the blends, are going to fill in this. I'm going to stop there and have you use your brain to figure that out. I know you can do it. All right, till next time, go out and do great things.